Hey guys, hope you're well. If you remember, in April 2012, Google unveiled a project that looked like an idea for a science fiction movie. The idea that with the advancement of technology in those years, one could not say that this idea is very far from the mind and unworkable. This project was called Google Glass, which attracted the attention of many audiences and technology fans. If this project was successful, we would have heard a lot about it, but it didn't happen. There is almost no widespread news about this access anymore, and if you look closely, the most similar devices to this gadget are virtual reality glasses, which are completely different from Google's design and were made for other uses. It was promised that Google Glass would be your perfect assistant in life, a lightweight and portable gadget that could open a new window of technology for you without irritating the eyes and being heavy. You can see the clock while walking, navigate, connect to the internet, read messages, and even record your surroundings. With the introduction of Google Glass Explorer, Google entered the field of production of this product, and almost everyone knew about it. But the problem was that the initial version had very few features, and the next versions were removed after a while in sheer silence. In 2019, the last update for Google Glass software was made available for download by this company. But what was the reason? Well, the most important thing was that the inability of the gadget to hold the battery for the whole day. Having a battery for an hour or two was such a pain for people who did not need such a gadget before. In addition, the price of this gadget was almost equal to a powerful and semi-expensive laptop, which means that a small group of people could buy such a thing. And also some people started arguing with those who had this gadget because they believed that they and their conversations are being filmed without permission. Therefore, Google decided not to target this project to the public anymore, but this product, especially for professionals, is still sold and has more uses there. At the same time, Microsoft and Amazon Prime are each launching a new version of these products with their own goals in a different way, which shows the goodness of this idea but the badness of its target community. Do not forget to subscribe and take care of yourself.